Alright, hi, I'm Mike with Airlift Doors. I'm here to show you how to take the rubber seal out of the track and replace it with some new rubber seal here. We're going to start here with step one, and that's taking all the bolts off. There's four bolts on the top, and then there's also 4 bolts on the bottom. So we're going to start at the top. Alright, so step two is flipping the track over, and we're going to take off the bolts on the bottom side here. So as you see, one's about 3.5 inches from the top. You should be able to get that one, and then the other bolts will be in the same spot. So the third step here is taking off the rubber seal, which you want to take it up this direction on the top. Alright, just a friendly tip. Put some soapy water in the channels here. Makes it a lot easier to slide the rubber through. So once you put the rubber seal in there, you got to take into account this reset bracket and the angle that this hinge is cut at. So we don't want the hinge being pushed down because the door will get caught on that. So we actually cut it at a little bit of an angle. And if you see here, this is an example of the angle that we cut it at, just to avoid the reset bracket. And to keep the seal tight, we just want this one to overlap the one on the bottom just a hair here. So when we go like this, there's no gap in between the two. And the last step here is bolting the rubber seal down. So in the holes that we had drilled before, we're going to start here. Make sure this is lined up and it doesn't move. Put that one in there. So at the end, make sure it's a little bit tight. Screw that. Got the one next to the reset bracket. Make sure that's secure. Then we go to the end and make sure that's nice and tight as well. On the back side, we just repeat that same step. So we'll start here next to the reset bracket.